about the first week of December, Mama went out and picked all the remaining vegetables in the garden. There was a hard freeze coming up, and she wanted to get these things inside before they froze and were ruined. And this is how she saved all of these green tomatoes so that we could continue having salsa well into winter. We took all of those green tomatoes, and they were all bright green when we started, and we wrapped each one individually in just newspaper and packing paper. Then we put them in these plastic bins and store them in a cool, dry place. You can't have any moisture. Started checking them a week later and have been doing that for the last 7 weeks. And every week you get basically a new crop.
Never.
This was an unusual year. We had a lot of green tomatoes late into the fall. But you know what? Why waste them? I love salsa. We also make tomato juice and the ingredients for bean mixes, but the salsa's where it's at.
Right, January salsa.
There you go. Good food for good times. This is the best salsa I've ever had. It took us a long time to perfect the recipe. We'll do a video about how we make it here pretty soon. But we got the smoked venison sausage video coming up. I cannot wait. Anyways, that's it. The Fritz 423 out.